morning. How do you like this mess? Do you think in a couple days I'll be ready for the studio tour? I don't know. But I do know that there's 64 other artists who are probably facing the same uphill battle that I am right now. Putting last touches on paintings and drawings and firing clay, doing their glassware. What else? Metal sculptures, all kinds of stuff on the tour this year. Fiber arts. So come out, support your local artists. It's that time of year. And we are all trying to find ways to separate you from your disposable income. So we can keep painting, keep working, bringing beauty and inspiration and light into this scary world we're living in here, filled with stress. So it's a circle. We bring our gifts and you help us keep going, and slowly we all raise the vibration of humanity. That's the goal. So come out. It's going to be a beautiful weekend here in Fort Collins, and I hope to see you here at my studio. And by the way, I have this nifty new print kiosk. It's a self-serve. You can pick out any one of 35 different paintings, or maybe it's 25 different paintings, landscape paintings, and have prints small or large or custom. There's also originals for sale there that I don't have in the studio. So check it out. I have an iPad with a idle screen that flashes different scenes from my studio and painting, and it says order here, tap to start. I have an example of the two different small sizes of the e-panel prints that I'm offering, which are printed on a metal composite with a foam air core. They're really cool. You don't need to frame them. I have my little credit card reader under a sunshade when I put it out in the sun. I have a little booklet here that shows 35 different landscape paintings I have for sale as prints, and some originals. And there you go.